Hey, want to see what I can do? Watch this. Did you see that? Did you see what I can do? I can do a handstand. How about you? Can you do a handstand? What can you do? Today, I want to talk to you about how to express ability and inability in English using the words can, could, and be able to. Do you know what kind of verbs these are? If you said modal verbs, you're right. So how about it? Do you want to learn how to use these words to express ability? I'll teach you. Come with me. Let's start with ability in the present and future. These babies can touch their toes. We can also say, these babies are able to touch their toes. We use the modal verb can and the phrasal modal verb be able to express ability. Because these are modal verbs, they're followed by the simple form of the main verb. Can you find the main verb in these sentences? That's right, it's touch. So these two sentences mean exactly the same thing. But let's take a look at the first one to see how it's a little bit different in its form than the second one. When we use can, all we need is any subject, followed by can, remember no S, and the main verb in its simple form. To make it negative, we can say cannot or the contraction can't. For example, this baby can't walk. She can only crawl. Unlike can, be able to will change according to the subject. For example, we say I am able to. You, we, they are able to. And he, she, it is able to. All followed by the main verb. To make it negative, we simply add not. For example, she is not able to walk. Okay, let's take a look at ability in the past. When Joe was younger, he could touch his toes. Now he can't. Poor Joe. We can also say, when Joe was younger, he was able to touch his toes. Now he can't. We use the modal verb could to express ability in the past. We have another clue in this sentence that tells us we're talking about the past. Can you find it? Yep, it's the verb was, which is in its past form. Just like can, could is easy to use. We don't need to change it according to the subject. To make it negative, we simply add not or use the contraction couldn't. Be careful with be able to in the past. There are two different forms. We can say I, he, she, and it was able to, and you, we, they were able to. To make it negative, we simply add not. Was not able to and were not able to. Okay, let's review what we learned. To express ability in the present and future, we can use can or cannot to express inability, and the main verb in its simple form. To express ability and inability in the past, we can use could or could not. And let's not forget the contractions, can't and couldn't. We can also use the phrasal modal verb be able to express ability in the present and future, and in the past. I hope you had fun learning how to express ability in English.